Hello, welcome to 3-Minute Tour Channel. Thank you for joining us. Here, we embark on fantastic journeys to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Through our videos, we share exciting travel experiences, provide essential tips and hidden gems, all while aiming to make you feel like you're traveling right alongside us. Get ready to indulge in amazing adventures with 3-Minute Tour Channel. When visiting Siem Reap, there are several unique and exciting things you can buy to enhance your experience. Here are the top 5 items you should consider purchasing in Siem Reap and why. Handicrafts and artwork. Siem Reap is known for its vibrant arts and crafts scene. You can find a wide variety of handmade products such as paintings, sculptures, wood carvings, silk weavings, and traditional textiles. These items make for excellent souvenirs and allow you to support local artists and artisans, while bringing home a piece of Cambodian culture. Cambodian Silk Products. Silk weaving is deeply rooted in Cambodian heritage, and Siem Reap is an ideal place to find exquisite silk products. Look for silk scarves, shawls, and clothing items made from locally sourced silk. The intricate designs and vibrant colors make these products not only fashionable, but also a symbol of Cambodia's rich textile tradition. Cambodian silver jewelry. Siem Reap is renowned for its silver jewelry, which often features intricate designs inspired by ancient Khmer motifs. From necklaces and bracelets to earrings and rings, you'll find a range of options to choose from. Purchasing silver jewelry not only adds a touch of elegance to your wardrobe, but also supports local craftsmen and their traditional techniques. Traditional Cambodian musical instruments. If you have an interest in music, consider buying a traditional Cambodian musical instrument such as a ronit ek, xylophone, khloy bamboo flute, or tro Khmer 2-string fiddle. These instruments are not only unique souvenirs, but also offer a chance to learn and explore traditional Cambodian music. Local food and spices. Siem Reap is a culinary delight, and taking home some local spices and food products can add a flavorful touch to your meals back home. Look for Kampot pepper, one of Cambodia's most famous exports. Along with other spices like lemongrass, turmeric, and galangal, you can also find packs of Cambodian coffee, palm sugar, or traditional snacks like Khmer rice cakes to enjoy later. Remember to have fun while shopping in Siem Reap. Explore the local markets, interact with the friendly vendors, and embrace the vibrant atmosphere of this culturally rich city. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.